Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install an ad blocker for Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for AdGuard AdBlocker and install it. Once the installation is complete, a new page will open automatically. So click continue with extension and choose the features you want to enable, then open the extension settings. You can customize the settings, so simply close the tab. After that, click on the AdGuard extension icon to make sure it's enabled. You are now ready to enjoy cleaner ad-free browsing experience. You can also try uBlock Origin Lite, which is a lightweight and effective ad blocker. After installing it, open the extension and adjust the settings based on your preference. Give both extensions a try and let me know which one works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.